Hi guys! My name is Raya and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Kathryn Bernardo inspired makeup look which was worn during Danielle Padilla's birthday bash. And of course we're going to use affordable products. So if you wanna know how to do this look, then keep on watching. So since Kathryn Bernardo has light eyeshadow, so we're going to start with foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in matte and poreless. So I'm taking a damp sponge and just dab it in. Dab, 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 dab. Next is concealer, because we all know that celebrities are flawless and they have various beauty treatments to hide those dark under eyes. So let's conceal, don't feel, don't let them show. Now they know. And by the way, I'm using the Pink Sugar Concealer as always. Even my sponge is affordable. It's from Bilena and I believe this is the medium size in 150 pesos only. To set the base, I'm going to use the Nichido Creamy Glow Final Loose Powder and just lightly dust the face. You don't want to look too powdery. I'll be trying some new products today, and this one is the Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper in the shade Natural Brown. This was given to me by my sister last Christmas, and thank you very much, Ada. Mwah. So she has straight brows, so I'm just carefully carving a straight line here, extending it outwards. But on the top, she has a more rounded shape rather than arch, so we're going to try to duplicate that. And I've tried this before and I can say that this is a good brow product if you want that natural looking brows. And then take the other end of that brow product. This has some powder in it. Use that to set the pencil. This will just fill in some sparse areas. Let's clean it up a bit. I don't usually do this, but for the sake of this tutorial, taking some of the Pink Sugar Concealer and I'm just cleaning the edges so that the lines are crisp and straight. Then I'm taking some clear brow gel and brushing the brow hairs upward to make it look a little bit more undone. Now we move on to the eyes. Let's take a flat but fluffy brush like this. And I'm taking the Careline Oil Control Blush in the shade Peachy Glow. And I'll just lay that color down on the lid. After that, I'm taking the Bilena Blush Duo in the shade Rosy Chic. And I'm just taking the bronzer shade with the same brush. And I'm layering that all over the lid up to my crease. Lastly, I'm taking my Rimmel bronzer and again dusting it all over the lid up to the crease. You can be really messy with this. And then with that brush earlier, just sweep all of the colors on your lower lash line. Means fresh, super white super fresh powder in the shade Honey, and I'm just using this to highlight the brow bone because I don't think that she's using a highlighter there. Move on. She's tight lined her upper waterline, so we're going to do that as well. How do I do this? Bilena Pro Eyeliner. This is waterproof, and I believe this is in the shade Ebony. This is new and I like it for tight lining. Just gives you an illusion of fuller lashes. So I'm taking the Careline Graph Ink Liner, which is also waterproof. This is also new, and I'm just using that to create a thin line on the lash line. Move on to the face, taking that Ever Bilena blush duo again, and with a fluffy brush like this, I'm just going to bronze because Kathryn has that bronze goddess look. More bronzy, the Rimmel waterproof, and running that over the Ever Bilena bronzer. The brush, using this to contour my nose. Brush this shape first, and mostly here on the outer parts, and then with that Careline blush in Peachy Glow, I'm just topping that to make it look more peachy. Curling the lashes. Don't wear too much mascara, so I'm just going to wipe the excess off before plunging in. A little bit of shine. Let's use the Maybelline Strobing stick in the shade Nude. This is quite easy to blend. Just swipe and then blend with your fingers. Picture she sported a very sophisticated look by pulling a dark red lip, so I'm using the Ever Bilena matte lipstick in the shade Vogue Diva. So, oh wait, let's line the lips first because I suck at putting lipsticks that are dark. So this is the Ever Bilena matte lip liner in the shade Siennas. We're not going to fill it in. Let's just line and then diving in with that lipstick. Once you've put one layer, just put a little bit more on the center only to add that berry flushed lip to the look. We want this to last all day, so setting spray. This one is from Nichido. It's their matte makeup setting spray. So this is the final look, you guys. I am very much in love with this makeup look. So subtle eyes, very flawless base, and then a bold lip like this. And I've seen Kathryn with her recent pictures, and I can tell that this is the kind of look that they're sporting for. Very minimal, very natural, but with a twist of a dark, bold lip. So, this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and I hope that you liked the look. If you did, then click the like button, share it to your friends, comment down below on what you think, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it so that you won't miss any of my new uploads. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye!